In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from XTB. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to manage withdrawals is an essential part of handling your finances. So, let's walk through the steps to ensure your money lands safely in your bank account. First, start by logging into your XTB account. You can do this through either the XStation platform or the client office. Whichever method you choose, make sure you have your login details handy and enter them carefully to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the section where withdrawals are managed. Typically, you can find it under a tab labeled Withdraw, or by navigating through Deposit Withdrawal and selecting Withdraw. This will take you to the page where you can initiate the withdrawal process. Next, you'll need to select the trading account you wish to withdraw from. For those managing multiple accounts, it's crucial to pick the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Take a moment to double-check your selection so that you know you're withdrawing from the right source. Now it's time to add or select a bank account. If you're adding a new bank account for the first time, remember it must be in your own name. This is a security measure to protect your funds and meet industry compliance standards. For first-time withdrawals or when a new bank account is being added, you may be asked to verify the bank account. This might involve providing a recent bank statement or some other form of account verification. Once your account is all set up, it's time to enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. Be precise here to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to review any funding requirements or minimum withdrawal amounts associated with your account to avoid surprises. Now that all the information is correctly entered, take a few seconds to review all the details carefully before you proceed. This review step is crucial. Look over everything: your trading account, bank account, and the withdrawal amount. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Confirm or OK to submit your request. After confirming, you'll want to keep track of the withdrawal status. This can be done by heading to My Profile and navigating to Transaction History, then selecting Withdrawals. Here, you'll find all the details about your current and past withdrawal requests. It's handy for tracking when you can expect the funds to arrive in your bank account. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through the XTB withdrawal process. Ensuring you follow each step carefully will make for a smooth and efficient transaction, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your trading goals. Thank you for watching and happy trading.